There's a quiet place inside of you, a place untouched by noise or fear, where your truth still breathes with ease, and the tenderness you buried still waits. You haven't forgotten it completely. Just set it aside to survive the day, to protect your heart from breaking further, to make it through without falling apart. You've carried things in silence for years, feelings too vast to name out loud, grief wrapped in smiles no one questioned, aching beneath duties and distant dreams. The world kept asking for strength, but never asked if you were okay. And somewhere between holding it all in, you lost the softness that once guided you. But that softness never disappeared fully. It only grew quiet beneath the noise, waiting for a moment like this one, when the stillness could speak again. Take a breath and come back home, not to the pain, but to yourself, to the you who feels everything deeply and still finds beauty in gentle things. Let your shoulders drop just slightly now. Let your chest rise with slower air. Let your body remember it's allowed to relax, even if only for this moment of grace. You are not wrong for feeling too much, for needing time to understand your heart, for grieving in private without knowing why, for holding tears when none would hold you. Your emotions have never been your enemy. They were just signals asking for love, reminders that something inside you mattered, even if the world didn't listen long enough. Place a hand over your heart softly. Feel the warmth of your own presence, the quiet beating that never gave up, even when life asked for too much. Now breathe into that space intentionally and say to yourself without hesitation, I see you, I forgive you, I love you. Let those words echo without resistance. There may be tightness you don't understand, a sadness that rises without a reason. Let it come without needing a name. Let it pass like clouds in a forgiving sky. Tears may arrive like sudden rain, but there is no shame in softness, no weakness in letting yourself unravel, so you can gather again with care. You are not here to be perfect. You are here to be present and whole, to live from the center of your truth, not the mask you were taught to wear. Every breath you take is a return to the inner child who still dreams, to the wise soul who still believes, to the quiet strength you always held, Let healing move through your body now, like golden light in a tired forest, touching every place that once hurt, every corner you thought had been forgotten. Feel your hands relax and receive, your spine soften into gentle alignment, your chest open with sacred forgiveness, your jaw unclench from years of holding. Even your thoughts begin to slow now, the inner storm becoming a soft breeze as if your spirit has exhaled at last and whispered, "You're safe to feel again." You're not too late for your healing, not too damaged, not too far gone. You're right on time to come back, to rebuild from peace instead of pain. There is wisdom in your wounds now, and strength in the softness you reclaim. There is clarity beneath the old confusion, and gold in every scar you used to hide. You are allowed to be messy and magical, to be learning while still moving forward, to be both breaking and becoming whole, to be a work of grace in slow motion. Let tonight be the start of your return to the deepest part of your wholeness, to a life lived from compassion, not from fear of being too much. Not lost, but gently realigning, not hiding, but slowly unfolding, not weak, but wonderfully human. And this is your sacred beginning,